Are you looking for the best chocolate fountains in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best chocolate fountains. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Nostalgia Electric Chocolate Fondue Fountain. The Nostalgia Chocolate Fountain is a 4-tier fountain that can hold up to 2 pounds of chocolate, making it perfect for birthday parties, family gatherings, and wedding and baby showers. Not only is it great for melting chocolate, but it can also be used for nacho cheese, barbecue sauce, ranch, liqueurs, and more. The elegant stainless steel heated bowl ensures a consistent dip every time, and the fountain is easy to assemble and disassemble for quick setup and cleanup. The auger-styled fountain provides a continuous flow of chocolate, creating a beautiful cascading effect that will impress your guests. The Nostalgia Chocolate Fountain is the perfect addition to any party or event. Moving on at number 4, we have the Yummy Sam Electric Chocolate Fondue Fountain. Indulge in a fun food experience with Yummy Sam Chocolate Fountain. This 3-tier, 1.2-pound capacity fountain is perfect for serving a variety of treats such as strawberries, apple wedges, cherries, marshmallows, and more. The detachable tier set and body make it easy to assemble and disassemble. Made of BPA-free and non-toxic materials, this machine is safe to use. Not just for melted chocolate, it can also be used for various sauces like nacho cheese and barbecue sauce. The compact size of 10.55*4.72 inches makes it perfect for home and party serving, family gatherings, weddings, and other festival activities. Yummy Sam also offers worry-free customer service, with a hassle-free full refund within 30 days of purchase. At number 3, we have the MultiOutools Chocolate Fountain Party Fountain. Indulge in the sweetness of MultiOutools Party Fountain, a stainless steel chocolate fondue fountain perfect for birthday parties, family gatherings, weddings, and more. It can also be used for nacho cheese, barbecue sauce, ranch, and liqueur to dip in fruits, vegetables, wings, cookies, and more. The fountain is easy to use, and with its unique design, you can conveniently place your prepared food on the plate on the bottom. Turn on the heat switch to warm up the machine, melt the chocolate in the microwave, and pour it into the stainless steel pan. Adding some edible oil can help the chocolate flow silkily. Turn on the motor switch and start dipping. Get ready to escape reality for a while and enjoy the delicious food and happiness with your loved ones. At number 2, we have the Outamateur Chocolate Fondue Fountain. The Outamateur Chocolate Fountain is a safe and durable machine made of food-grade 304 stainless steel and durable plastic. Its 3-tier design is easy to assemble and disassemble, and it comes with a removable serving tray for added convenience. The machine is easy to clean, with all components being easily disassembled. The chocolate fountain features melting and warming settings, making it perfect for melting various sauces such as chocolate, nacho cheese, barbecue sauce, and liqueurs. The included 6 pieces fountain cheese fondue forks are composed of food-grade stainless steel and oak wood handles, making them convenient to use and saving space. The Outamateur Chocolate Fountain is perfect for weddings, birthdays, graduation parties, business gatherings, holidays, and casual get-togethers with friends and family. And finally at number 1, we have the Nostalgia 4-tier Fondue Fountain. The Nostalgia Stainless Steel Cascading Fondue Fountain is a 4-tier fountain ideal for chocolate, nacho cheese, barbecue sauce, ranch, liqueurs, and more. With a 32 Oz capacity, this fountain is perfect for parties and gatherings, and it is easy to assemble and disassemble, making setup and cleanup a breeze. The elegant tower and heated bowl keep the sauces flowing consistently, and the auger-style fountain provides a continuous flow of chocolate. It is also an ideal gift for special occasions. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.